Homies, I'm back. Today, this guy, well not today, but my friend in school told me about this bloke called KSI. The black dude, if you don't know about him, go make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment and everything like that on his channel. And he did this video called Get Hyper. So I'm going to do a feed off that. I'm not going to do music. My friend's at Robin Wood, so I'm going to do a lot of videos while he's gone. So let's go. Get hyper. Get hyper. I wanna get hyper. Get hyper. Wait. Get hyper. Get hyper. Get hyper. I wanna get hyper. I wanna get hyper. 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 So, guys, that was Get Hyper. Feeder of KSI. Get Hyper. Go leave a like, comment and subscribe on that video, it's quite good. KSI's awesome. Don't forget to check out his brother's channel, I think it's like Comedy Shorts Gamer or somebody. I already knew about him, but I didn't know about KSI. Until the other day when my friend told me, called Daniel, he'd been watching KSI for a long time. And he dropped to me in class going, Get Hyper. I just fell on me and I said, what the fuck? Have you ever seen KSI? I was like, no, who's that dude? Black dude. Comedy Shorts Gamer. No, his brother. Comedy Shorts Gamer has a brother. What the fuck? So, yeah, I've had this monkey for ages. Check it out. Get hyper. Get hyper. Get hyper. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.